Welcome guys back to another video, and today I am playing Wizard Cats. As you can see, that's what I look like right now. This is everyone else. Yeah. I look like a jester right now. I can also look something right here. I'm gonna go from here, change my shirt to this one. No. Change the hat already. We're gonna look cool. Fine. Go fight. Not go fight. Whoa. Ow. There we go. I need to find I need to find health. Where's health? Here. No. I don't have any health, so it's dangerous for me now. I just need health. No, 16th place. I placed 16th. As you see, I have this much candy. I have way more than that, guys. This doesn't show a little bit. Actually, there we go. Hold on. This is how much coins I have. Where's my head? There we go. Back, obviously. Now we just change that. And then there we go. I like this style. I am Rick right now. If you don't know, guys, this is one of my friends. Yeah. Two, one, fight. This game has a lot of detail, and yet it only has 8 players. We have bots in this game too, so guys, it even says bot on the top of them. These ones have aimbot, which is, I don't like it all. And how do you shoot, guys, is basically from your wand. There, oh. Whoa! No! 9th place! That's actually really good. Like, I will now be happy to see this. There we go. Yep. Yahoo! Someone's wondering what my channel name is, guys, so I just told them. CDM Game Boy. And then he also says CDM. Yes. Look at these two. Spin the dancing. I'll do the floss. Flossing. Let's see. No. That one was from a... Oh, man. Why did I even try? Oh, here's my friend. I'm going to spend with him. No, he died. I don't want to spectate the bots. There we go. Not. dead. Come on. Bots can't win. Bots can't win this. No, the last bot. Oh, no. The bot won. No. Ow. My boss fell off. By the way, guys, at 100 likes, I will be doing a face reveal. Yes, face reveal. Since I can't do a Robux giveaway at 100 likes, I'll do a face reveal at 100 likes. Ooh. But I need 100 subscribers. Not likes. I mean 100 subscribers is what I need. I'm almost to level 50. Friend. And I was AFK for a minute. I'm just shooting for my friend. Dude, I'm not gonna say his Haunter name, so yeah, I'm not gonna give up personal information. So yeah, that's why I'm just going to it. Eighth place! He's gonna his character. Oh no! He died, he was so close! He almost won. Oh, that girl. Where's that even a girl? Hold on. No. I can't say it. I don't know what it is. This is one. Get first place on. No! I really want to end the video here right now. Get that one! No. But I can't because if I first place in this round, I will end the video. Do it. This one. Oh my gosh! No. Okay. Yes! First place! Yes, I get to end the video here. Only 8 minutes. Yes, I get to end the video. Ooh. Alright guys, remember to like and subscribe. And remember, stay